Welcome to this class on word classes. Word classes is a grammatical category in which all the words are put into noun, adjective, verbs. It's a grammatical category and is divided into two form class words and function class words. Let's see a few examples. House, it's actually a noun. Speak, that's a verb, an action. Nice, it's an adjective describing a noun. A nice house, a nice girl. Angrily, it's an adverb, a description of a verb. So, these four categories noun, verb, adjective, adverb. So, these categories they belong to form class and it is an open class or it's an open set of words. It's the biggest class you can say. It is finite, it is infinite. You can create new words. It is open. You can add more words to it. You can add you can borrow words from other languages. It has got a lexical meaning. Semantically, these words are important and you can translate the meaning. Word to word translation is possible to these set of words. But on the other hand, there is another class that is function class, or you can say it's a closed set, closed class. It is smaller, it is finite, it is limited. Articles, prepositions, determiners, conjunctions, pronouns. So they comprise this class, function class. You cannot add a new article, you cannot add a new pronoun. It is limited. It's a closed set and you cannot translate it directly. It is important for the grammatical function that they perform in a sentence. Like for example, in a context, these words are important but will not assume meaning when they are alone, and we cannot add new words into this family easily. We'll see a few more examples of closed classes or function class words. In, it's a preposition, in the house. And, it's a conjunction, you and I. So these words, they assume meaning in relation to the other words in the sentence. Another example, if you go to school early, you'll be able to study well or whatever. So in a context, it assumes meaning. The, you, I, and, in, on, these pronouns, articles, conjunctions, prepositions, these are all examples of function class words. They have a function to perform in a sentence or in a phrase. They have a function to perform, unlike the form class words, which are semantically important. These open class words, let's see the difference. Open class words, new elements can be added very easily, and the examples are nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, and they have got lexical meaning. On the other hand, the form class words or closed classes, new elements cannot be added. And what are the categories included? Preposition, conjunction, articles, pronouns, and other discourse markers. They have a grammatical function to perform. I hope you have understood. Thank you.